Today, we're going to talk about a super simple yet powerful health habit: eating soaked almonds in the morning on an empty stomach. You've probably heard your parents or grandparents recommend it. But do you really know how much it can benefit your body and brain? Let's find out. Number 1. Improves brain function. Soaked almonds are rich in vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids, which help sharpen your memory, boost focus, and reduce stress. It's like natural fuel for your brain. Number 2. Supports weight loss. Almonds are high in fiber and protein, which means they keep you feeling full for longer. This helps you avoid overeating and supports healthy weight loss. Number 3. Strengthens bones. Soaked almonds contain calcium and magnesium. Both are essential for strong and healthy bones. Perfect for kids and adults alike. Number 4. Gives glowing skin. Thanks to the antioxidants in almonds, your skin can stay youthful and glowing. It helps reduce signs of aging and gives your face a natural shine. Number 5. Boosts digestion. Soaking almonds makes them easier to digest. It also increases nutrient absorption and improves gut health. How to soak almonds? Just take 5 to 6 almonds, soak them overnight in a bowl of water. In the morning, peel off the skin and eat them on an empty stomach. Simple, right? Precaution: if you have a nut allergy or any health condition, make sure to consult your doctor before adding almonds to your routine. So friends, don't underestimate this small habit. Start eating soaked almonds every morning and see the magic in your energy, skin, and focus. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. See you in the next video.